Newspaper text highlight. I'm sure you saw it everywhere. All the top YouTubers are using them and all the top video editors. But how can you do that? I'm gonna show you two methods, the classic one and another one pretty cool, so you can edit like a pro as well. So for the first method, we start entering default text. We place it on the news article where we want to add, and we're just gonna type a few underscores or hyphen. We put the colors that we like. In this case, I'm going to do yellow. The next step is to deselect the uniform scale so we can change as much as we like our height and also the width. What we created here is basically a yellow line that is going to cover the wording and the characters. So you need to make sure the size covering exactly the wording that you want to highlight. So I'm gonna play around, and once it's ready, we're gonna go to the next step. Now we are going on animation and we type wipe right. So basically this is the animation of our marker highlighting the wording. So once we selected wipe right, we can also select how many seconds we want this line. Once done, we click on the right and we create a compound clip. Then we go back on video, we select blend. From the drop down menu you'll select multiply and the job is done. For the second technique, we do pretty much the same style. Here we go, pretty quick. We're gonna create our line, change our color, and we're going on yellow. You can see here the background is black and the wording is in white. So I want to show you the highlighting of basically the white wording. So only the word will be highlighted and not a full strip. We do the classic thing. We remove the size, so we can select transform, uniform scale, and then we change scale width and scale height, and we put, in this case I want the first line complete, so I'm gonna regulate the size. Perfect. We are going once again to animation like we did before. We are going on wipe right, select it and select how many seconds we want it to last. A quick test. Perfect, the animation is working correctly. We're gonna click on right, create compound clip. Now we are going back on video, we select as before blend and we click once again on multiply. So this is the exact same process. And that was both methods. Let me know which one you prefer, test them both and see what fits better on your video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and let me know in the comment down below what text effect you want to see next. See you next time.